Okay, it's been a while since the last time I actually posted one of these videos, but this time I will be tearing down a Sony battery. It's a Sony VGP-BPS13A/B, and it's 11.1 volts and 4800 amp hours. So I guess it's 6 batteries inside. Each should be with a nominal of 2400 milliamp hours. Let's see. Let's try with a little bit smaller. Okay, this seems like the easier way. For now. So here it is, 6 Sony US18650GR batteries. Let's take them out. Do some preliminary voltage readings. 25.66. Let's see. 8 point. Okay. Let's disassemble real quick. Wow, this one came all by itself. Let's take care of this side. These strips came out very easily. And don't leave almost any marks on the batteries itself, which is good. So let's see. I'll just restart this real quick. This one is okay-ish. Okay. Not bad. This one is good. Yep, this one is good as well. This is okay-ish. So we have two batteries which are in perfect condition, even though they were left for quite some time, and another four which are, well, quite low, so I'll have to charge them and test them and see if they still hold any power, or they self-discharge fast, and we'll see. Okay guys, thank you very much, bye!